The vibe master is here. Let's go. So before, did you welcome our hero in the right way? Did you welcome Mzee in the right way? Yo, ladies and gentlemen, Mzee has been fighting for over 70 years to make sure that we are happy as Ugandans. And we need to welcome him. We need to give him the vibe he deserves, right? Okay? Who is on the sound? So, ladies and gentlemen, Mzee has been fighting for over 70 years to make sure that the generation grows. Today, Uganda has the youngest population in Africa because of Mzee. Can we celebrate our hero? Can we celebrate our hero right now? Tingmara, 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 Tingmara. And then Mzee did another amazing thing. He gave the daughter of this beautiful land, Lillian, Aber, appointed her a minister. Yeah? She's Aber. So, DJ, I don't want you to do anything wrong. Let us give the vibe that we deserve. We want to take this opportunity and welcome our hero to Kitigum. So, vibe. So, come on. Let's go. What is the problem with the DJ? Let me see energy. Are you gonna see me? DJ pass away. Wait. I want us to look where Mzee is. Let's first look where Mzee is and we sing for him. Can we go? Hey. Let's go. Look where Mzee is and do like this. Energy. Remix it. All there. Energy. What's up? Let's welcome our ministers. Please welcome Lillian, Aber. So I invite Lillian. Congratulations one more time. And guess what, you people? give my beautiful Nyamutoro. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Show me. Lillian. We got one. Okay. If you love him, say action energy. Let me show you some. Baby. Pull on the tune. Masamu, tekoze sabitu bichamu, sego ya mwanadamu, kubaba muri bachamu, muri bachamu, izeni mukubera nice, kuyagala opportunity kuwaka chance, alo walondoli kulira shai, owamatanga mone mutamajani, wali wabantu ya mubiri msimu, ngabagala mwembe mumirimo, mbasi wina, Can I dance with the Nyamutoro? Can I dance with the Nyamutoro? Hello, Supini Jorico. Let's go. Kuwai Sawi. Hello, so baby, reset. Shagala man to the front. Let me dance with the Nyamutoro. People concentrating. Forget. Puro. Welcome to say one more time like this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wapa, go. Zikume. Zikume. Pa, zikume. Empere yeriko. Yeriko. Empere yeriko. We don't have time, you know. Allow me go because we don't have time. We don't have time, brother. We don't have time. Okay, one more. Only one. Okay, get what you have. Get your cape. Get any other t-shirt. Get any other t-shirt now. Bring your cape. Bring everything. Let us celebrate Muzei. Let us celebrate our hero right now. Let's select him. Ladies and gentlemen. Ndio bakuba mupira balomalio batwala birisebo gwe kibana bino ndoke kutwale mbio kilo kujane zero betuli bana ba muzeyi museveni tutambola museveni abuli generation Thank you so much. God bless you. Lillian, Muzayo, one love.